Norway is a global leading energy nation. Our homes are fueled by waters falling from the beautiful mountains of Norway into the fjords. Norway has the highest adoption of electrical cars in the global market. Norwegian electrical cars are fueled on renewable energy.
Lyse was a regular utility company selling electricity and owned by 16 municipals. 15 years ago, Lyse looked forward and saw that the change in the energy market would come. Smartly is a subsidiary of Lyse. Smartly delivers smart home services to our customers, making it easier handling the energy consumption. People in Norway living at shared households have a problem. Currently, it's not possible to bill the expenses to the correct user. This is where we came up with the idea for the Smartly app. We wanted to give the user an easy way to identify themselves at the charging station. We contacted Capgemini with a challenge.
The client asked us to design and develop, test, ship and deliver a mobile application for 2 platforms.
We needed to have the Smartly app ready in stores within 6 weeks.
A new service in 6 weeks. First we started sweating, and then we laughed, and then we realized they were serious. It was essential that we could just start right away. Adobe XD really helped us to get a head start into the project. You have everything in one single tool, from wireframe to high-fidelity design to prototype. We sat along with our client, and the client was able to view the prototype in real time directly on the mobile device. The speed of Adobe XD is just amazing. It loads up and responds way faster than any other tool I've used. I'm a big fan of the sharing and the live preview function. Adobe XD is great because it removes a lot of friction in the design process.
The classic way of developing an app has been much more time-consuming.
We hit the deadline, and that would not have been possible without Adobe XD.